If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Vechain update. As you can see, we did actually fill in the wick exactly as we were predicting in the last update. Essentially, as we left this level of support, it was lost. When you lose the 20, you come down to the 55. When I made my last video, we had already seen this candle, and I think we were about somewhere over here. So my suggestion was that if we fail to now reclaim this key level of support, that we would fill in this wick. The wick was now filled, and of course if we zoom into the actual current price action and look at the daily candle closes, we did actually lose this level of support with yesterday's close, and it's today's candle that's trying to invalidate this bearish breakdown. But for more validity of a bearish breakdown, we need to lose these wicks as well, because yes, I would argue that the 55, a loss of that would signal for a move down to the 200 EMA. But when we dumped into the 55, we actually lost it as support during the candle. It's only for the daily candle close did we actually reclaim it and close well above it. However, during that period, we did create a level of support over here. So although we saw a daily candle closing beneath the 55, it's not actually closing beneath this lowest point of support right here, this wick. And because of that, this breakdown is not valid. You need to go ahead and lose 2826 with a daily candle close, and only then are we actually starting this move down to the 200 EMA. You could actually even argue that this comes in and could step in and not allow you to get down to the 200 EMA. So what I'm trying to get at is that there are a lot of supports at the moment that are holding Vechain up. If we actually zoom out and look at this specific area, I did go through it in the last video, and of course you've come to this video very excited because you saw in the title retesting breakout to confirm over a 200% move, and that's this breakout through this line over here. We've simply broken out, flipped in support once, I had a continuation, put in a new higher high. We just need to form a higher low, and that needs to be above this point over here. And we can see the 55 there as a second layer of defense of this uptrend as well. So we just want to see that reclaim of the 20 and this 3.3, 3.5 cent area for continuation higher. And that's what will lead to our 200% move. But this wave down, you will see as we go to the 5-day time frame, we've just come down, retested this key area. We initially came, now this was my last video update where we were looking at this. It was retesting a double bottom neckline. This is our huge bullish reversal pattern to send Vechain back into a bull market. And what's just happened is over the last few weeks, we've broken out of the neckline. We've come up to our range high, even broke that. So we put in a new high, and then we just need to form that higher low. And it makes sense to fall back to this double bottom neckline. So we mentioned that in the last update. And then also that we were probably most likely going to fill in that wick unless we reclaim this area. That wick has now been filled. And we actually went a little bit low on this attempt. So we did actually see the candle during this current 5-day period actually go underneath this level of resistance that should now be support. So it was actually lost, but we're looking in these next 2 days and 7 hours of this 5-day candle to hold above this key level 2891 cent. And that is just confirming the breakout to the upside, because you're just breaking out, falling back to it as support, looking for continuation with the technical target sitting at 9 cents, which from today's current price is a move of just slightly underneath 200%. If we were catching this earlier on, then yeah, this would have been a 200% move. So that's it from me today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We are still anticipating this move to the upside as we have formed a bullish cross here on the 5-day time frame, and we are also above the neckline of this double bottom, keeping the pattern valid with its technical target sitting at 9 cents. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Again, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to get educated, whether that's the course, ebook, mentorship plan, or Discord community, use the links down below. And I'll catch you in the community. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.